you going downstairs?
Look over here. Look over here.
What? Who did bring that to me? Who did bring it?
Mommy and Daddy brought that for you.
Oh. What we can do?
You can cook.
I can? How?
You got all your food and all your dishes. And in that green bag next to the stove is more food.
What's in there? What's in there? Dad? What's that, Mommy? I can wash it. What's salty? With some egg, Mommy?
Yes.
Taste it. After me wash it. Hello, I love you. I love you. We're gonna cook couple. Does it close, Mommy?
Does it close?
Mm-hmm.
No, it doesn't close.
Why?
It goes on the little latch next to the stove. It goes over here.
Oh. Why?
That's how you hold it.
Oh. Now I need 6. Good, what's those 2? Huh?
Oh, the phone fell down.
Oh, why? Why, Mommy? Why? Hey, my dog. That me? Can we have all those?
Yeah, these are all yours.
Why those, Mommy?
It looks like beans.
Oh. And those are bananas. Those are the bananas. Look at my bones. Right there.
If it won't stay, you can just put it on the counter.
Alright. Up here?
Yeah, you can just put it there for now.
Hey, that's not going there.
Turn it over.
Why?
Yeah, you had it upside down.
Yeah? And then this goes. What's this?
That's what you put the food in when you wash it.
And what's that?
Steak.
Why? And what are these? What is that?
That is a hamburger.
And what's in there? Oh! What this is, and this is the...
Look in the refrigerator.
Where?
That's the refrigerator.
Hey, there are. And what are these?
Peas
Oh,
and a green pepper.
where?
potato.
Okay. And here's in it. And what's this? Ice cream?
That's right. Don't actually lick it, just pretend.
Let me wash some pepper. What's in there?
That's the pepper shaker.
What?
You pretend.
Oh, what in it?
Nothing, just pretend pepper. Look in the oven.
Then no.
The oven's on your right, underneath the sink.
Where?
Yeah, underneath. Look down. Underneath. Pull open the oven.
Oh. What's that?
It's a chicken leg.
Wait.
Chicken leg.
Why? And what is?
It's chicken. It's all roasted chicken.
What kind of chicken?
It's a roasted chicken. It's a whole chicken.
Oh, why? And this.
And look in the microwave. Oh, that's pie. You see the microwave?
Yeah.
Up. The microwave is up.
Then the ice cream. And what's in there? What's this? What's this?
That's chocolate. Pretend chocolate. Pretend, yeah. So now you can cook Mommy a nice dinner.
There's me a lot in there.
All right, look in the microwave. Do you know where the microwave is? Yeah, that's it.
Hey, what are those?
Tacos.
Ooh, what's that?
It's tacos.
And that?
Yeah, it's a taco.
And what's this?
That's ginger.
Oh. And this?
Let me see the label. It says oregano.
What in it?
Nothing, is just pretend. Pretend spices. Use them to season your pretend food. Not your eye.
And what's this?
Show me the label.
Okay.
It's cinnamon. Do you like your present, Max?
Yeah.
Mommy and Daddy got you your own little kitchen. You can make dinner while Daddy makes dinner. Isn't that exciting?
Yeah.
You're going to be a chef. A toy chef, a pretend chef. Did you get all the food out of your grocery bag?
Yeah. Oh, I got to do something. What's this?
That's the salt shaker.
What's in there?
Pretend salt.
Oh. Did we eat it?
You can pretend eat it. And did you see all the food that's in the baskets underneath? See,
Where's
look next to underneath your oven mitt. There are baskets of food.
What is this? Pizza?
That's pizza.
Ooh, got what's that? And what's that? Some
Parsley.
that made pear. There's some pear in there.
And that one's chili.